I am Samar Шинино. I came from Gaza city, exactly from the north of Gaza. I was sleeping, and then I take my kid, which have 1 year, because her bed were next to the window. So I get terrified and take her near to me, because when there's a bombing, the first to break is the window. In this war, they are attacking everything. There isn't any safe place. I lost 3 of my friends with their families, which is women, and with their family, with their children, and it's really difficult. And I'm thinking of my relatives there, because I still have relatives there, and I'm terrified.
Today, people are under attack.
When I crossed the streets in Gaza city, when I have to the crossing, I don't know this city, because it's not Gaza anymore. It's all damaged. We were crossing the streets and it's all closed because it's all wreckage. I still remember how we crossed in the car, where we were driving so rapidly, and all the people in the car were vomiting, because it's so rapidly. We were terrified in the car, hearing the bombing, and just crossing like that, because we don't know what will happen, if we will still live or no. I think that one day I will return, because it's my city. I lived there for many years, and it's my land where I belong to, because I'm a Palestinian and a Bulgarian.